Hey there, math demons. It's me, your boy. We're back at it again to spill the math tea. Today, we're diving into the ultimate beef, rational versus irrational numbers. It's like the neat freaks versus the chaotic energy crew. Alright, let's start with the rational homies. These numbers, they got their lives together. They can be written as a fraction, like nice and organized. If you can write it as a fraction of two integers, like top over bottom, boom, it's rational. Their decimals either end like that middle school relationship after 3 days or play on repeat like the newest T-Swift banger. For example, the terminating decimal 4.321. It ends like that TikTok dream after your last vid maxed at 2 likes and one was your mum. Or the repeating decimal 5.333 repeating. It just runs on a loop like the annoying song stuck in your head when you're trying to sleep. They give rational vibes only. Now, meet the irrational numbers. These dudes are wild. They can't be written as a simple fraction, no matter how hard you try. Their decimals go on forever and never repeat. Like that one friend who keeps talking after you say bye on FaceTime. The most famous example of an irrational number is pi. 300 trillion decimal places calculated so far, and never once has it had to repeat itself. Another example is a non-perfect square root. If you try and root a non-perfect square, you'll never get to the end of it. So if the decimal's acting unpredictable and non-repeating, that's how you know it's irrational. Let's line them up real quick. Rational numbers include integers, fractions, terminating decimals, and repeating decimals. Irrational numbers never stop and never repeat. Basically, rational numbers are the kids who color inside the lines. Irrational numbers, they're out here painting on the walls. But like, in an artistic way. Alright, math fam, quick challenge time, I'll show you a number. And if it's rational, you gotta raise your hand and reach for the sky. If it's irrational, itch your head like your teacher just asked for the answer to a question she's already explained 3 times, but you missed it all because you were texting the huzz under the table. Got it? Good, here we go. An integer. A non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. A terminating decimal. A repeating decimal. Pi. A perfect square root. A non-perfect square root. If you nailed that, you're basically a math genius. So remember, rational numbers keep it neat, irrational numbers keep it real chaotic, and both are part of the big number family. Now go flex your math brain and rizz up the huzz with that decimal talk aura. And don't forget to stay mathematically goated. Peace out, math fam.